Hey there, creators. Ever wished you could take your video editing skills to the next level without breaking the bank? Well, guess what? CapCut Pro is here to make your dreams come true, and we've got an exclusive offer just for you. Whether you're in the US, UK, France, or Germany, you can unlock the full potential of CapCut Pro on your PC, mobile, and even the web. Imagine having access to advanced features, stunning effects, and seamless editing tools that will transform your videos into masterpieces. And here's an even better deal. When you sign up for CapCut Pro using our exclusive link and make your first payment, your subscription days will be extended by an additional 7 days. But hurry, this offer is only for new account signups, so don't miss out. Ready to create like a pro? Click the link below, start your free trial, and watch your creativity soar. Welcome to Creative Suit Tutorials YouTube channel. Today we will show you how you can get CapCut PC Pro for free. All you have to do is just click on our affiliate link and sign up for a new CapCut PC account. After that, log in with that account on the web version at CapCut.com, and there you will see the upgrade option on the upper right side of the screen. And it's not over yet. We have a surprise announcement for you at the end of this video. Let us give you an overview of the Pro interface and features. You can upgrade to Pro from here also, but we recommend using the web version to activate your Pro. These are the CapCut Pro price plans, and you can activate any one as per your convenience and need. Now overall, we see the same home screen interface as the free version, except for some extra features on the top. The first one is a video translation feature, and we can guess by name that it can translate our videos to other languages. Here we can drop our video, and from here we will select the language option. In a matter of seconds, our video will be translated to other languages, and even the lip syncing will be performed if the video has a talking person in it. This feature can allow us to repurpose our content for different regions, and this strategy is also adopted by Mr. Beast. The second feature in this section is script to video, and we have created a video on this feature. You can watch it using the above link after this video. The third feature is the long to shorts feature, and we have also created a video on this feature in detail. If you watch this video, you will be able to instantly convert long videos such as podcasts and educational videos to short-form content. Short-form content can be then uploaded to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to create multiple income streams. Now let us open a project and see what we get inside it. Here we have the Pro version of CapCut PC, and we can see the Pro tag here. The tabs here are the same as shown in our latest CapCut PC update video. Now let's import a video on the timeline and explore what Pro features we have on the PC version. This tab contains many Pro features related to video editing. We can see these Pro features, which can enhance the quality of our photos and videos on the timeline. AI movement and camera tracking are also in the Pro version, which allows the camera movements, as you have probably seen, being used by many content creators. In this section, we have the custom removal option, which allows us to precisely select and remove any subject or background from a video or even a photo. Remaining options in these sections are the same as the free version. In the audio tab, we can use the translator feature to edit and save our videos in multiple languages. Speed and animation tabs are also the same as the free version. In the Adjustment tab, we can see the color match option, and we will explore all these features in detail in our upcoming videos. As most of you were asking where AI Stylize feature has gone, so it's present here in the Pro version. It contains cool AI effects and features such as expanding our photos with AI. These all and many more Pro features you can enjoy in the Pro version of CapCut PC. The cost of subscription per month is just under $10, and it's worth the value CapCut is providing. Now time for the surprise. Yes, we are going to launch an advanced editing course using CapCut PC Pro version. So make sure to buy the Pro subscription so you can master the advanced editing techniques using CapCut PC Pro. Click on the link below and sign up to test the Pro features. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.